So, what seems to be the problem? I got a picture of a human.
You got a what in your car?
No, a spectre, a ghost, in my human.
What's the problem? Ghostbusters here. So it's not my problem. Okay, I'll get rid of them. I'm not big, but this is big. Stop. Are you Mr. Cheeseman?
We had a call about spectral manifestation. Where is the ghost in question?
The ghost is upstairs in my room trying on my underwear and make my cheeses float. Yes. So how much would this cost? If I have a father. I have a father.
No, £2.
£2 of bacon, no change from the father.
How much will that cost? How much will that be?
Okay, £5 of bacon. You got yourself a deal there.
£5 of bacon. Deal.
All I've been doing for the last 3 hours. Shooting random I've been searching top to bottom. I can't find anything. This is so boring. Like, what is that? What is that? Holy moly, what the heck is that? Come on, could you pop over to Clayton's Rocky Warehouse? So Freddy has a ghost infestation.
Yes, boss.
Welcome to my wacky warehouse. What you want? You want fridge? Fridge, $9.99. Microwave, $6.99. Bread, get bread. Slices, whatever. Goes in there.
Yeah, 15. We give you £10 and you give us 15,000.
Yeah, we got a deal.
Right, I'm sorry about that last mission, but now we've got a new accused called Johnny Johnson. We've got a mission in Stonehenge, but
Boss, that's mine. That's mine.
don't worry, I'll give you a lift.
Yeah, okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
Hello, dears. I'm very glad you're here. There's some sort of ghostly apparition out in the forest.
Oh, don't worry.
Oh, thank you very much. That's ever so kind of you. I heard that.
Jacob. Okay, cool. And go. Rolling from.
Hiya! I need you to sort out all the ghosts in my wacky warehouse. It was recommended, but seriously, they moved all the sofa.
No, it's not recording. For some reason it's just white. Oh wait, no, wait. I think it's a bit bright. There we go.
We set the fire. Today we have managed to set the fire alarm off.
You managed to set the fire alarm off.
Whether I'll be on the project from now on, who knows? Because I might actually be fired. But I'd like to say it's been nice work. And hopefully we'll see what happens. Hopefully I am still working and you're watching this now in the cinema and they're all laughing at what fools.
Send us Stephen.
Oh, bye-bye.
Bye, Paul.
Using a smoke machine.
How do I stop recording? I click the button.
Paul, how do you start recording?
Oh, that was going. Picture for the start of the film.
Well, did you really leave the smoke machine?
No, we did.
Oh.
Yeah.